kada badminton, kada tinaran.
Running!
Running.
I could ride
Come on. We look at Cebu Pacific, it's working.
Love the Philippines.
And then that's the flag carrier of the Philippines.
Yep, the one you set on the gears. When is you set far is very small. And its gear is big. Guys, taking off.
It's taking off?
Yeah,
I think so.
yes, going at a high speed.
Even Air Asia is so Cebu Pacific is taking off first. Then Philippine Airlines, then the Air Asia.
First one is Philippines Airlines, and Air Asia is second.
Okay, let's look at Cebu Pacific taking off.
It went to air. Send it to the iglet. You cannot enter it because there's barrier. Or just break a hole.
Cebu Pacific is running first.
Cebu Pacific is third.